One point control, also known as single point control. This is where a corner which is set from one direction, things such as meander corners were generally done this way, but it applies for any corner that was only established from one direction. What you need to do is set it at the record bearing and distance. But I want to have a word about the basis of bearings. Again, the basis of bearings needs to be astronomic. You need to be using ground distances. But let's take a look at a quick example. If this meander corner was lost, and you found this section corner, found this quarter corner, this quarter corner, and this quarter corner. If you sit here and backsight this one and turn the record, you might put it over here. If you sit here backsight this one, it might be over here. And if you sit here and backsight this one, it might actually put it in a third place. So the only way that's fair, in my opinion, to set this corner that protects everyone is to use an independent basis of bearings. What that means is that you actually need to take another astronomic basis of bearings and then put this corner in at the record bearing and the record distance. And again, if you had state plane coordinates on all these points, then you would just need to use the convergence angle and the Laplace correction at this section corner and then determine what the astronomic basis of bearing is and make sure that you use the combined scale factor to get the ground distances to put it back in. But you should be able to see how, depending on which one you backsight, how you theoretically could put this corner in 3 different places. And so again, in my opinion, you need to use an independent basis of bearings and just take a whole new astronomic observation.